Hey guys, I wanted to hop on tonight and make a couple of videos for you as we get started with our last essay. So exciting, essay number 5, our last one. And this is actually, we're skipping to the end of the book for this. So this is going to be unit 18 through 20, units 18 through 20. So if you're wondering what happened to all the others, we will go back and do a little bit from units 11 and 14, but I have chosen the persuasive or argumentative essay for our last one because it's the most important. So I want to talk just a little bit about what is an argumentative essay and how do we write it. And so this is a little bit in units 18, but you'll see it throughout 18, 19, and 20. So argumentative essay is when we argue one side, one point of view. So you have to choose a side. So for example, if our topic is cell phones in class, should we have cell phones in class or should we not? You have to choose a side. You have to say we should have cell phones in class or we should not. And so maybe some of you will choose should and some of you will choose should not. But whatever you choose, that's what you have to stick with, okay? You're going to stay with one side for the whole essay. The introduction is a little bit different than others. In the introduction, we are always going to have a hook, and so you can choose whatever kind of a hook or attention getter you like. Then you have to discuss both sides. So this would be the time in your essay where you can talk about, some people think we should have cell phones in class, other people think we shouldn't, and this is kind of a little bit of their point of view. Now your thesis should be should or should not. So your thesis will be cell phones should be allowed in class or cell phones should not be allowed in class. You have to choose one. And your thesis will be short, to the point. You don't need to have 3 points. You're actually going to have a general thesis for this. And you'll choose one side, should or should not. All right, so that's our argumentative essay introduction. In this essay, we're going to have a very strict structure for our body paragraphs. So for our body paragraphs, we're going to have 2 reasons why. So you're going to have body 1 will be your first reason. We should not have cell phones in class because they are distracting. Body 2 will be your second reason. We should not have cell phones in class because we can cheat, okay? So body 1 and body 2 are supporting your thesis with reasons and arguments. Now body 3 is a little different, and we're going to study this in unit 19 on Tuesday. So this is called opposing view. This paragraph is quite different than the others. You're going to be talking about the other side, the opposing view, and why they are wrong. We have to always say why they are wrong. Some people say we should have cell phones in class, but I disagree, and this is why. We're going to tell why they are wrong. And then in our conclusion, it's pretty similar. We're going to give our final argument, final comment, maybe call to action or call to research. But I hope that helps you as you think about starting your argumentative essay.